What's really good, guys? Welcome back. Let's back at it. I have this GMC Canyon 2019. Yeah, this is diesel, by the way. I'm gonna show you with 20,000 miles, as you can see. Still a baby, I guess you might say. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do oil change and how to reset the oil life in this diesel pickup truck, 2019. Hold on. Let me get the light. Hold on 1 second. Okay. See that? That guy right there? That's how you open the hood, okay? Here. There's a latch. Push it downwards and come up. Let me show you the fender like That's 530. Good match, 2.8. Unique. What the fuck is it there? Here it is. Alright. That's a filter right there, oil filter. And that's the oil dipstick. Alright. So I'm gonna remove the oil filter with a 27 millimeter socket. It's a half inch, by the way, half inch. I got 12 inches half inch extension. And a half-inch ratchet. I'll remove that. Okay. And this is the new oil filter in case you want to order it. It's a part number. Alright. I'll show you how it looks like. It's a part number. I'll show you how it looks like. Loop this, alright? Loop the oil ring. This oil ring too. Then you have another oil ring for the plastic part, which is this. I'll show you in a second. You can leave it there if you want, so you don't spill all over. Fuck, I'm gonna put it fast. There it is, fuck. That's the oil ring I was telling you. You gotta change that. And that's it. Just pull it out. It only goes one way in. And sits the same way, like it's a regular oil ring. If you ask me, I'm gonna leave it draining there for a second. That's the front, so you don't get lost. Come down here. Here it is. That's a 15 millimeter. Alright. It's got right here. That's the oil pan, oil drain plug. ED. It's draining. Pause. I'm gonna drop the drain plug, or you know what, I'm just gonna hold it. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. That shit is dirty as fuck. That's not even chocolate. That shit is like, that's petroleum. That's raw oil. Shit. For that people that love drinking oil, grab a chair and wait for a few minutes, or in the meanwhile you can pour some air in the tires. Because a lot of people are like, you know why you put the oil drain plug too fast? Put the oil drain plug back too fast. Like, I'm not gonna put it right now, right? I just gotta wait, you know what I'm saying? But if you wanna do it, like, if you wanna let it drain over the night, be my guest. Yeah, I mean. Alright, back to this. There's nothing going down, so it's been like what? I don't know, 5 minutes. With this bag tied it, you know what I'm saying, with the 15mm socket. Do your thing, snug it. For those torque freaks, I don't have the right torque specs, so you're just gonna have to tie it by hand and, you know what I'm saying, learn. Just put the new filter, this plastic thing, you know, all that, and then just put it in there. It says right there, 25 Newton. That's the torque spec for this oil filter house, you want to call it, or oil filter cap, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna do it by hand. Okay, I'm gonna snag it, I'm gonna tie it, I'm gonna snag it, and I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna force it. Okay, for those torque freaks, the oil drain plug, I got you. Okay, it's 18 foot-pounds. That's the torque spec for the oil drain plug. Alright, now I'm gonna pour 5 quarts of Dex 2. The book says, the spec says 0W20 or 520. The 020 is for 9 and below. That's the temperature, and the 520 is for all temperatures. Okay, so you decide what you want to pour in it, but it's going to be 5 quarts. Okay, I'm going to pour this. All right, it's up to you if you want to do this, but I'm going to pour this. All right, 5 quarts. My bad. Scratch all I said. That was for 2.4. This is 2.8. 2.8 takes 6 quarts. Okay, and 6 quarts of 5W30. This is 5W30. All right, 100% synthetic. 6 quarts with a new filter. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the oil in. And then I'm gonna run the car, shut it down, and check the oil level and all that. Alright guys, welcome back. I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change in this 2019 Canyon 2.8. Alright, so at the end I poured 6 quarts 5W30 synthetic oil, full synthetic oil. Alright, 100% full synthetic oil. God damn it. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Okay, real quick. All you gotta do is, the car is running right now. All right, doesn't matter where you at, right there in the screen. You're gonna do it with this, guys. Okay, this is okay or check to go in the menu or whatever. Right, left, down, up. That's how you scroll through the screen. All right, we're gonna scroll to the right. We're gonna go to that one. Okay, I'm not gonna show you straight to it. Like, okay, let's say you scroll. You are right here. Okay, scroll to the left to the eye icon. Okay, now you just scroll down right there, oil life 22%. So now it says press the check button to reset. Press it, just press it, don't hold it. Are you sure you want to reset it? Scroll to the right, yes, press check. That's how you reset the oil life. Alright, in this 2019 GMC Canyon 2.8. Do the maths. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. If you have anything to say, anything positive to say, put it in the comment box. Alright, I would appreciate it. Destroy, hit, bang the like button, crack that bell, the bell button, so every time I upload something, you're gonna be the first to know what it is. And share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box. Okay, anything you have in mind, put it in the comment box. Any feedback, okay? If you have one of these, how you like it and all of that. All right, catch me in the next video. Holla at your boy Astuo Burum Ama.